Which Papa, Mom?
Peppa.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hey, kanunen lai so kan siam mo. Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys. Hey, we are cooking evening dinner, and this is called
These are smoked chicken breast or chicken thighs.
okay, let me
Thighs, and these are New York strips.
New York strip and yeah, bong sani mo. This is a New York strip, and this one is the
Chicken thighs.
chicken thighs and yeah. So I marinate sa kanu ri tori na sa ta tori this one again by the sa. Right? Apple, what? That is home. Why did it so late today?
Because he went to the grocery store.
Ah. Buying a lot of stuff?
No.
Daddy, you have more stuff to bring in?
They never come and got it.
They got one.
They got the one piece and they
The
just didn't
goo
want
one.
the other piece, which is weird.
That
Because-
is weird, because that's the better part right
Well,
there.
they're missing an arm. The other one doesn't have
Yeah,
an arm
I
because the
know.
arm's right there.
Maybe
so-
they didn't figure it out. I don't know.
No,
Well, they know
maybe
the
they
other
need
half's
just
here.
one. Maybe they just need one.
Who knows?
Daddy's home. Welcome
Hello.
home, Daddy.
Hello.
Love you.
Thank you. I love you too.
This is Daddy car that the one broke. Daddy, they fixed right your car? Your car is fixed right? Why they did so ugly? I'm teasing you. Hey, he kanu car niya. Kan la zawa la wala hey ka car niya. This is my car. Here, my car. Hey ka car bit niya. Let me visit my garden. Kan stay kan sum laing ka tuan. Kan lok niyo. I always wear this clothes, but don't think that I never was. I love it. I don't want to wear any clothing. Here are my tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. Strong kan champe in cut tiwi cut. Po fai ngai don nak tuk chu chili te khan ta tomato po an ra chakot may look at the tomato. Oh my god. They're gonna be so yummy. Look at that. Tu don't know tok ta ni chu. Chuanin min po kan nga khop me. Chuan ka may an hit a truck ta ni chu mom. My pumpkin leaves is dying, but my bitter gourd is killing by this bitch. Hey, he pay nga ni hilaw ini. Hey, fa kan na kaltur kan lay niya. Oh, this will be my future baby car. Hey, in Laugatinga, I grow some more veggie. What is that in English? I forgot. Melon, right? Yeah. Oh, mazil, more mazil. Cantaloupe, and tartan. Hey, banana pepper. Here. There we go. Cherry tomato. Hey, alumom. Tapin jutero. Teta ang kay chef gan road china. Ito pa rin mom. Mom, I was telling that. I was showing Mom. Where are you? Oh, muka ka va sir. Check it out. Wow. What did you add inside? Tell them, Mom.
On this, soy sauce and garlic powder.
Garlic powder, garlic powder,
Soy sauce.
Bar powder, ready made ang soya sauce. You all can make it, right? Ang grill machine here in hey mangka oak blends grill smoky pellet India mo like it, not a charcoal.
Hickory oak. It's wood pellets.
Yeah.
Here.
Hinga tanga siya
I don't know if there's any.
There is some here. Hey, ang hinta kan man kamo. Yeah, sometimes they like. They say that your nail is so beautiful that they
Oh.
your nail. That yeah. This is the one, right?
Hey, these flowers are blooming over here, yellow.
Yeah. Let me come check it out. Hey, can rose and here are rose. Hey,
Those are
can huwan
black-eyed
pang
Susans. Black-eyed Susans.
Black eye.
Black Eyed Susan.
ป้าเบรโปแล้วหวยกับป้าซอสโซนหัว Oh, I thought there is more flour. Hey, can so fast. They already take one, mom.
Yeah.
It's gone now. We have only.
I don't know why they just took one piece, but
Yeah.
kind of crazy.
Who is that?
What are you guys doing?
Cooking.
So I had a hand spinach. Kangkang may buka frozen. Ano yan mo ready made. So kang may buka spinach ni kan I don't need to steak kamo. Nakina. Kan I like kan lang nga we gonna eat spinach and with the New York steak and then New York strip and things. So it's a New York strip and New York strip, right, mom? The steak.
New York
New York strip.
strip. Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna eat with that, so it's gonna be so yummy.
I need pepper.
Ooh,
Pepper.
Papa?
Pepper.
Which Papa?
Pepper.
Which Papa, Mom?
Pepper. The
Okay.
black pepper.
Today we're gonna eat steak like we saw you earlier. Mom is cooking New York strips, so we're gonna eat. Mom, you wanna show them your food? Here. Mom is hungry, I guess. And this is spinach also, so we're gonna start eating. And Lazawa is eating chicken, so but he's sitting on the side. So Lazawa too in Laos arsa iya kay ni chu steak. Kan I don't ni mo New York strip antia. Don't khop me he kan lo ige pang chawa. Ka korhi karon ha che na ni hi ka sungai lo mo lo ting ka suzia ka favorite ni tlat ta ni so no I just told them that like this is my favorite. It's not like I never was them. I wear all the time, like I really like it. Like but we're going back to that store again, so we probably want to buy it. No, it's not coming up off. Sorry. Wait, hey, yeah, it's okay. Hey, kapag sauce terminal na daddy bought me new sauce. I'm gonna try. It's good.
How's chicken?
Oh, it's so good. Toy Luke took.
Uh-huh. Mm.
It still doesn't look like anything.
Yep.
Ito. Very yummy. Thank you, Mom, for cooking.
You're welcome.
I was
Is it
telling.
crispy enough?
Oh, no, but this is good.
Mine's not very crispy either, but I
But
think
it's
I
good.
need some hot sauce.
Mom, why not
Want me to
try
get it?
this?
If you would.
Yeah.
The big bottle you and I like.
You need to name it. Or
I
learn
forget the name
I
of it.
suppose.
What's the name of it? Hot
Big
stuff.
bottle.
Big bottle. I like it.
Mm-hmm. Big bottle.
So, saan ko sa tiya? Tama ko ito.
Valentina.
Mm.
Mexican extra hot sauce. 2X.
For some reason I thought it was called Valentine. Yes. I am gonna put Valentina.
Kanu sauce.
Yum. My favorite.
I like more horror, so.
Not me.
3X.
Yeah. I like to walk the next
That's
day.
the one 3X daw dessert. That's here.
Ooh, yum. Ooh, Tori, that's really good.
I'm
This
eating the fat. So good.
steak. You want to try a piece of the steak in it? No. You want to try some chicken? No.
Do you want me to try your chicken? No.
That chicken's amazing. I should have bought a bunch more and just froze it.
Yeah. Where'd you
It's
get it?
fresh Morgan's meat.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it doesn't need sauce at all.
No, it's called. They have a sauce on it. They marinated it.
Dito. It's not hot this today.
I have never seen thighs that big in my life.
It's like goose or something.
Yeah, it's so huge. That's when chicken Thai.
He said he butterflies them,
Oh.
so they marinate better.
Mm-hmm.
Asiam na karon di lang kamo ina siam pero tuy top hang tuy sa.
And dark meat is better to smoke on the grill.
Mm-hmm.
This
All
is
the juice.
So good. Kanuhi is sa door fresh sa Valea. My mother went to butcher store
Yep.
like get
Morgan's
fresh meat. Yeah. So this is really fresh and solid.
We'll be getting our cows soon. We'll have fresh meat.
I'm gonna kill cow.
Yep, they're killed it. It's hanging, and we just got one more week to go. Then we don't have to go to the store and buy meat. It's so much better.
Yeah.
I know.
Hey, Marchay, takvak
You're
lang.
gonna get yours.
Kapag sauce minun later. This daddy bought me new sauce, but not really spicy. Like so. Let me check what is it. They say extra hot, but maybe I'm not normal.
Mm-hmm.
You're not normal. We already know that, sweet. This is probably hotter than that.
This is just sour. You will love it.
No, I don't like sour.
No, I
good.
mean like little bit. Can you do it? Like from your fork
Just
or
try it.
from your try it.
If I come up whistling Dixie,
Mm-hmm.
Okay, dear Tina sauce. I make her try my sauce.
yeah,
Habanero, carrots, onion, lime,
that's it.
vinegar, salt, garlic.
Yeah. Habaneros are hot, but yeah, it's not hot.
No, it's not hot.
No. Nope.
The real test is Papa. When Papa
I
says
kill
it's not hot.
Putar.
The spinach you should be eating while it's hot. Spinach cold's not the best.
Uh-oh.
But it tastes really good. It's got a good garlic.
That's what Arsa kapag jajal. I feel like eating that's what chicken.
Uh-oh. Not my chicken.
What?
She what?
She said she wants to see
She's
my
like
chicken.
not my chicken.
Oh.
Ito ito tao na mo.
Lucky for you, I made another
Mm.
chicken thigh.
Kanu in chicken thigh pa ni me. Asama she make true chicken thigh. The two I eat on it. So tomorrow I'll eat for lunch. Oh my god, I'm so lucky. Wow.
My dog.
Got it.
Sit.
Iced tea na. Iced tea with raspberry flavor. What flavor you got? Lemon?
Mm-hmm.
I wish they're a little bit hot, but
It wasn't too hot.
oh yeah, you don't feel like the hot nothing.
It's got something ground in it though. It's the texture is
It
weird.
said habanero puree.
That's okay. That's why. So I was gonna say there's something ground in there that
They may have just.
and when it hits your tongue, it's.
It tastes like Tabasco.
I don't know the texture. I didn't like that. I think that's the. Oh, I didn't cut all the fat off.
No,
I'm
it
sorry.
was.
I left it on because he said to leave the. Oh, it's a bone.
Yeah.
or
it's
gristle.
Something hard, yeah.
He said to leave it on because it would smoke better.
Mm-hmm. No, that was awesome.
Mom got like ready-made marinade.
Mm-hmm.
I trust Morgan's meat. We get a meat there a lot.
They're the ones with the barnyard burger?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. They know what they're doing over there.
Lazawa, kaya na I'm looking at Lazawa. Mom got miso name new one.
It's new. Miso name.
Yeah.
Cái thảo mà lại nó mình biết thảo thì cái đủ đi xem không? I love the fat part. What did you say? Mom miso name? Feli.
Philly.
Feli is
Oh,
a good
like
girl.
a calf.
Like good girl.
A filly is a calf, or not a calf, but a
horse.
horse, a baby
Baby
horse.
girl, I think.
Yep, it's a filly.
No, Philly.
F, Fe,
Filly. F.
Philly.
Yeah,
And
it's a baby horse.
PH is the baby.
Yep. Awesome. I like horses.
You got a baby chicken.
I did it. I ate it all.
I had some of mom.
Scrumptious.
Mmm.
I was bad today. I had monocles.
Mmm.
It went south. What, baby? I know you're gonna get some spinach in a little bit. Oh.
Where is Lazawa? Lazawa is missing.
The cameraman.
He's holding the camera.
You? Who are you? Right, Scarlett? I never asked you to sit.
Well, it's always a joy sitting here spending the
Kan
evening
is
with you
auto
guys.
siya. Yeah. We finished eating, so we can say bye to them.
Bye. Have a great night. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed what I made for supper tonight. Thank you for stopping by Jess and Tori's site. We'll be talking to you soon. Bye.